Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diana. I'm a self-taught makeup artist, and today I'm getting into some brows. So if you want to see how I created my brow shape, keep watching. Please excuse my voice, I'm under the weather, but we're going to jump right in. We're going to go in with the NYX Micro Brow in Espresso just to map out the brows. Now when it comes to my brows, I try to keep them thin. I'm known to have a big brow, which is not a problem. But we're just trying to stray away from the 2016 brow, but I still love me a good old 2016 me. So now on to the next brow, which is my struggle brow, my left brow. Child, she always gives me a hard time. You're going to see me going back and forth trying to tweak her, trying to make her look like the other brow, but they're not twins, they're sisters. At this point, they are distant cousins, but you know, you work with what you got. I try not to have the front of my brow be boxy, so you're going to see me going in and just feathering it up. You can definitely see the differences in the brows, but trust me, in the end, they look pretty similar, but the right one going to eat me up every time. It's going to eat you up every time too. So we're just going to try to sculpt it out and just make sure that they are as symmetrical as possible, and Lord be with me, at this point. Now I'm sculpting out the brow with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in 380 Pecan and using my Makeup by Ariel brush. Oh my god, this brush is perfect. I didn't know what the hype was until I got it. It is so perfect. I hate double-sided brushes, and to say that I am in love with a double-sided brush says a lot. And then I'm just gonna flip it over and pat the concealer. This brush is it, but it's not about the brush, it's about the brows. Like I said, I'm going to try to match that art, so I'm going to just try to keep matching it. So now that I'm satisfied with my arch, kind of, I'm going to just start to sculpt out the bottom of the brow like we did on the other side. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in 405 Toffee just to make sure that the front is blended in. I don't like that halo effect, especially in the front and definitely not on the top. So I'm just going to blend the two concealers in the middle and just make sure everything is seamless. Now I'm going in with my foundation for the day, which is the Huda Beauty Churro. I think it's 410N. And we're going to sculpt the top of the brow. I actually like to do this instead of using concealer because 9 times out of 10, the foundation is going to be your exact match anyway and not the concealer. So I'm just going to use that to just blend away, buff away, and to sculpt the top of the brow. And as you can see, it is very seamless. This is one of the tricks I love to do on myself and on my clients as well because, like I said, foundation will match you closer than concealer. So at this point, I like to add a little bit more concealer just to make sure that everything is covered. Yes, I'm peeking just to make sure that everything looks good. You got to make sure it looks good on camera and off camera. You know what I mean? And this is the brows with the completed face. The look will be up soon, and I hope you enjoyed the video.